you know, the creativity behind it all. Sobra silang magkaiba also in terms of yung environment. Kasi syempre, as a singer, when I do events, 2 hours, 3 hours max, alis na ako sa lugar. Dito, buong araw minsan, andun lang kami sa set, naghihintay for our takes. So, magkaiba yung discipline sa pagiging performer at sa pagiging actor. Yung parang, ano talaga magkaiba rin yung level of patience and determination also. And it's really a different craft. Like, they say to sing with emotions, parang uma-acting ka na rin when you sing. But when you're on the set and you're asked to portray a different character, all these different emotions, bigla ka na lang mapapatao yung parang, saan ko ito huhugutin? Like, what else should I learn to be able to portray my character effectively in the scene? So, it's different in those terms of, ano ba? It's different in those terms, in those different aspects. Pero yun, parang, syempre, yung first love ko talaga will always be music. So, ayun.
We can't wait to see more of both from you in